The top 3 upgrades that don't add as much value to your home as you think. Hey guys, I'm Jeremy McHone with the Whissel Realty Group. I want to talk to you about the top 3 upgrades that you can do that you think adds value to your home, but probably doesn't add as much as you think. The number 1 is a pool. Pools are expensive, they're hard to install, and honestly, a lot of buyers aren't looking for a pool, and it's actually a turnoff to a lot of people. So it can actually devalue your home in certain circumstances. The next one is going to be solar that's either leased or that's bought through the Hero program. That can actually devalue your home. A lot of people don't realize that when they're having solar put in on their house, but that can retract from the value. And the third thing is going to be anything that's very taste specific. What I mean by that is bright colored paint or bright colored shaggy type carpet that you might love, but a lot of buyers aren't going to appreciate when it comes time to tour your home. So these are the top 3 things that you can do to your house that you probably think add value, but don't add as much as you think. If you'd like advice on what improvements to do to your home, give me a call or shoot me a text at 619-971-0791. Thank you.